Do you know what is LOLER and where it is applicable? LOLER stands for Lifting Operations and Lifting Equipment Regulations, 1998. It's a set of regulations in the United Kingdom aimed at ensuring the safe use of lifting equipment. The regulations apply to all businesses and organizations that use lifting equipment, including employers, the self-employed, and employees. Under LOLER, employers are required to ensure that all lifting equipment is number 1, safe for use, number 2, suitable for its intended use, number 3, positioned and installed correctly, number 4, used only by people who are trained and competent, and number 5, regularly inspected and maintained. Examples of lifting equipment covered by LOLER include cranes, hoists, forklift trucks, lifts, and mobile elevating work platforms. Employers must ensure that any lifting equipment used in their workplace is safe and that the risks associated with its use are identified and managed effectively. LOLER is a vital regulation as it ensures the safe use of lifting equipment, which is essential in many workplaces, including construction sites, warehouses, and factories. By complying with LOLER, employers can reduce the risk of accidents and injuries caused by unsafe lifting equipment. You need to remember that failure to comply with LOLER 1998 can result in serious consequences, including fines and imprisonment. It is therefore essential for employers and individuals to be aware of the regulations and to take appropriate steps to ensure that they are complying with the legal requirements. Although LOLER is a UK-based regulation, but it is applicable worldwide. And that's all. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Wish to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care. Good luck and goodbye.